Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the Feniex T3 surface mounts. These surface mounts are a 3 LED single color light, and they're available in amber, blue, red, white, or green. They're powered by a simple 3-wire connection, where red is your 12-volt power, black is your ground, and blue is your pattern changing and syncing wire. Syncing these is very easy. Simply take the blue wire and hold it to ground for 3 seconds. If the light does not come on, like you see here, that means it's a follower. If I hold it down for 3 more seconds and the light will come on, that means it's a leader. If you want the lights to alternate, set one as a leader and one as a follower. If you want them to flash and sync, set them both as followers or leaders. Now that I've set this one, I'm going to repeat the same process on this one over here. Once you do this and set them as followers and leaders, it also resets the flash pattern, which makes the next step very easy. That one, the light did not come on, so it's a follower. So once they are both set as followers or leaders and you've decided how you want them to flash and sync or to alternate, simply take your blue wires and connect them together. When you reset them as followers and leaders, it resets the flash pattern to a default flash pattern. So now you'll see here, the lights are automatically alternating because they're on the same flash pattern. To change the flash pattern, tie the blue wires together and tap them both to ground for about 1 second. That's it. These lights are now in sync and set to alternate. There's 14 flash patterns on these lights, available and sold separately. Our brackets, like our license plate bracket, where you can mount them horizontally or vertically by taking these 2 screws out and pivoting the bracket here. We also have our simple L brackets, which are great for mounting them in the grill. Our swivel brackets, which allows you to swivel them up and down and also side to side. Included with the light is a rubber protector, which mounts on the back of the light and protects your mounting surface if you decide to surface mount them, and also a set of screws. The wiring harness is about 10 inches long, and the light is made of all aluminum, so the entire thing is a heat sink. So that means it can run for an extended period of time without any issue. Also on the back of the light is a vent, which allows any moisture to escape. These lights sync with each other, as well as most other Feniex products. They carry a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and they're made in the USA. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.